Hello, happy birthday ulit Sarah, happy birthday Sarah, my sister-in-law, and she is the wife of my second brother, okay, and happy birthday again, happy birthday Sarah, and this one also, Sarah is making already cut for what's that? For the green hair of this one. And now, ng tubo, it's long na naman. Oh, look, you see, tumubo siya. Tumubo siya ng tumubo. Johnny, Asus, Madam Sams, and Sir and Rakib. Make water kasi every day. And put little bit to the sun, under of the sun, even just in the window, like here I put here every morning because the sun is, what's that? So, look what happened. Oh. It's growing up and growing up and growing up. Oh. The lips and the color of their eyes is like na this one because I put water to become fat. Oh, very nice. Ganun pa rin siya tumubo kasi Sarah is always what's that, making a cut trim. Oh, ayan oh. Kaya yan ang nangyayari niya. Ewan ko kung siguro lang to. Green Bermuda pa kung sa atin. O parang sa palay, o parang ganon siya. Grass lang talaga ba? Hindi naman yata to, ano ba yun, yung tanim, parang palayan nga siya. O grass lang. Ano lang ang tawag siguro nito? Green hairs. Anong tawag nito ni Pido Dido? So the weather is very sun, same as usual because it is still summer, so that is still hot outside. And I'm waiting, same as usual, I'm waiting to Sisi. And what's that? I lost already my finish of my live that I have planning to make that one also, including of this my video, but I push, kaya na siya na escape. Kaya ayan tuloy, nawala na. Hindi ko na siya magamit-gamit. Hindi ko na siya may include sa download ko sa nito. Ito naman ginigipit ko, tinatabi-tabi ko talaga siya parang decoration ko lang siya dito sa kitchen. Oh, ayan no, oh. Parang pearl, oh, ayan. Oh, ayan, may butterfly, ayan o, kung kayamanan, tingnan mo yung nails, ko, ayan o, yung kayamanan. Thank you again, thank you for watching, again, happy birthday Sarah, more blessings and good luck sa mga dreams mo, lalo na sa profession at sa buhay na meron ka at saka sa families, sa buong pamilya mo. Okay, so as of what I'm telling, thank you so much. Thank you. Magano tayo? Mag-interruption. Ano ba yun? Anong tawag? Hindi na ako makapag-pronounce. Hindi ko na may ayos kung ano yung gusto. Muna ako, mag-exercise tayo tuwing Hindi exercise na kasi tanghali na eh. Maghahapon-hapon na eh. Dance na lang. Bye-bye. Thank you again. Thank you to all that you are still helping to my channel, that what I have, my beginning channel, that I reached already, the subscriber and the hours that I need. Thank you so much talaga. To all subscriber, not subscriber, supporters, not supporters, viewers, not viewers, and to all people that are still living in this earth, to the different countries that we are belong. We are not the same. What I mean, we are not the same nationalities and countries. Okay. So thank you talaga, all of them, buong pamilya, buong angkan. Thank you talaga, thank you to my Madam and Sir, the whole family of Madam and Sir, to Sisi, and friends, and to all her, that I will still continue journey of my life as a OFW. Thank you so much. The mga some blogger that you are still now, from the beginning that I have 1 subscriber, 1 viewer, 1 hour, that until now that I have. Thank you so much talaga. Even we are not saying personalities and knowing each other, but we just only connected in the social media, part of the youth YT team, and to the founder, and to the workers and staff that they are also working hard to assist of the old blogger, that some blogger also that they're already successful. And ingatan nyo talaga ng ingatan, be careful of what you have already, because as nga, hindi naman lahat, we are not the same. As of them, for me, it's not quickly talaga, and doing the best that what can I do. Okay, thank you again, thank you, and God bless us all, and bye!